be digging through a potato bed today to see how many potatoes we get. After years of practicing, we're going to see how many we get from our bed. And my lovely assistant, Corbell, Dean, and Elsie. All right, let's do this. Okay, why don't Corbell, you pull up this one. Dean, you get that one, and then Elsie, you can get the next one.
I get this one.
And pull them straight up.
Which one do I get?
Just pull them straight up, the one in front of you. All right, and kind of shake it.
Which one do I get?
And see what we get. I'm gonna dig right here though.
Daddy, which one do I get?
Because we got potatoes all in this.
Daddy, I'll get this one.
Okay.
Oh, I found the worm! You know, leave the worms, Dean. I know.
Yeah, and you got to dig down a little bit.
Okay. A little bit.
Yeah. Oh, there's a good one.
Oh, here was a big one. Look at this one.
All right.
Daddy, I big good big ones.
Oh, those look good, Dean.
Yeah. Dean's getting. Oh, there's a ladybug. Yeah. There, look what I got. Daddy, this one's pretty, Mom. I think it's a pink potato.
Whoa!
Daddy, Mama, look.
So
Daddy,
pretty,
look what I
Elsie.
got
Nice, buddy.
from digging now. Please, potato.
Pink potatoes.
We gotta start getting these.
Oh, I think that's an Asian ladybug.
They're just falling everywhere. Oh, wow. Dean, you want to dig a little?
Oh,
Oh, there's
that was
one.
a purple whole pea. You just pulled out. It's okay. They're not doing very good.
I'm
That's a pea. Or a bean. One of those.
Mama, look at these.
I see
Can I pull
them.
up this?
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. Oh, look. All the ones off the thing. Mama, these ones are big.
And here's our potato
Ooh,
penguin.
Daddy, look at this one.
Oh, that's not a penguin. It's a flamingo. Our potato flamingo.
Oh, and a lot of these plants suffered frost damage earlier when we planted them in February. So we were wondering if they would do better because of the frost damage, but this has been the most prolific potato crop we've had. So
Maybe it did help. Maybe.
Here's some for the thing.
Look at that.
Did you tell him what it is? Pontiac
one.
Reds or what did you
He-
say? You might have to correct it.
He's not sure exactly if they're Pontiac Reds or Detroit Red potatoes. We traveled today, so
We got one.
they sure are pretty though.
Those are the purple ones beside you.
Are you gonna want to pull those up too?
Yeah, I mean they're all dying because they're all at their in the growth or whatever.
Yeah.
We're gonna have so many potatoes out with this.
There's one. I think the purple ones are so pretty.
I didn't hear something else. I like the pink ones.
That was a growth one, I think.
I think they're all pretty. Whoa, whoa.
Yeah.
I found an apple.
Oh, Jen, there's
Ooh, more purples.
Oh. Here, Dean.
All right, here's the tops so far. There's more that are coming. And our bucket! That is looking so full. Oh, and it's beautiful with the purples and the
Oh, that was
pinks.
gonna be a good one, Dee.
Oh, looky there, Elsie. Oh, I'm blocking it. Yeah. Pop it in the
Hold
bucket.
on, don't do that because your nails will scrape them. Here, buddy, watch out.
Here's how to get them.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab it.
I'll get them. I don't think I'm
Oh.
I do. I think this is our best potato harvest. Yet so far in our potato journey.
Yeah, there's more in the middle. Yeah.
The purples! Oh, they're so pretty. Good job. And Elsie, you can pull up these green ones in front of you too.
Oh, no.
Purples! It definitely looks like the pink ones or red ones did a whole lot better. Dean, there's a little purple one by you. Oh, they're so pretty. They're so cute. They're like little bitty baby potatoes. So pretty.
Yeah, don't.
And I believe the purple ones are white in the... No, wait. They're purple in the middle, aren't they?
I think they're white. Oh, there you go.
I don't know. I thought they were purple. We may have to cut some open and show everyone what they look like in the middle. There's some little purple ones in the dirt.
Hey, if y'all want to, I don't know, do you think we should leave them in there?
I wouldn't mind. Oh, Dean found another big one.
Go.
Hi, I'm Jenny from This World Is Not Our Homestead, and we are going to weigh the potatoes that we harvested, that they harvested from my husband's potato bed. Here's the bucket, and I have my fish scale. I'm gonna try to pick it up because it's heavy. Okay, see if I can get it to go up. All right, what are you seeing? Ah, what's it say?
25.
Okay.
Round it up.
Okay. Woo! Ah, that is our biggest potato harvest yet, and maybe next year we'll be able to double it. The purple potatoes are purple on the inside, and the pink ones, the Red Pontiacs, that's what they're called. They are white on the inside. Go ahead and put another one. They're very pretty, and they hold their color when they get cooked, which is really neat.